Hello students, welcome to my channel Anna's Tutorial. Today's topic is a notice writing. Your school is going to organize a sit and draw competition for students of class 8 to 10. As the secretary of the student council, write a notice informing students about this competition. Notice number, date. Sit and draw competition. All the students of classes 8 to 10 are informed that our school is organizing a sit and draw competition on 29th November 2025. The competition will be held in the school auditorium from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. The theme of the drawing competition is Safe Nature, Safe Future. Interested students are requested to register their names with the class teacher by 25th November 2025. Drawing sheets and colors will be provided by the school. The students must bring their own pencils and rubbers. Prizes will be awarded to the top 3 participants and certificates will be given to all participants. All the students are encouraged to participate and show their creativity. Countersigned by Secretary of the Student Council, own name, countersigned by the Headmaster. Thank you for watching. Stay with me and like, share, subscribe.